Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by verifying two essentials: battery above 50% and a stable Wi-Fi network so updates don't fail. Once done, back up your device to iCloud and confirm you know your Apple ID and password because reactivation may need them. Next, check whether Apple is still signing the earlier firmware. If not, the method won't work. Now download a compatible IPSWA to the phone using a trusted app or direct browser link, and get ready to enter recovery-like mode without a PC. Now you move into the core steps. Open Settings, go to General, then transfer or reset iPhone and choose the option to prepare the device for a local restore. Make sure you've installed a reputable file manager or a third-party restore utility from the App Store that supports local IPSWA handling. Once the IPSWA is in the App Sandbox, import it and tap the Restore option. The app will validate the file and present a downgrade prompt. Stay patient while the phone verifies signatures and stages the install files. To finish, follow the apps on screen prompts carefully. The phone will reboot several times as it applies the firmware. After installation completes, sign back into your Apple ID and restore your settings and data from the iCloud backup you made earlier. If the process fails, try again with a different compatible IPSWA or verify that Apple is still signing the target version. Unsigned firmware cannot be installed without a jailbreak. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see verification errors, re-download the IPSWA and ensure the file isn't.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.